Standard of value and valuing your company. That's the topic today. What's the standard of value? What's that even mean? We talked a little bit about the date of value for your private company. Let's talk about standard of value. It's not always described the best in the literature. The best way I can describe it is, let's define the buyer. If you were to imagine the buyer of the company, what's that look like? So let's go into some examples. Fair market value is a very common standard of value. It is defined as a hypothetical willing buyer, hypothetical willing seller, neither under compulsion to buy or sell, both having reasonable knowledge of the facts. Now that's a mouthful, isn't it? That could be one standard of value. Another standard of value could be investment value, which is the value to a specific buyer or seller of the company. So maybe we're thinking of Joe or Sally, and they have specific needs. Whereas the hypothetical situation, I like to imagine it's sort of an imaginary world where everything comes together perfectly. We're not thinking of specific individuals, as opposed to investment value. You can also have fair value, which is sometimes defined under state law and case law, which may or may not have discounts applied to the value of the company. The key is to understand how you're going to define it up front when you're getting ready to value a company. So understand which standard of value you're going to apply, and understand that some cases you may not have a choice. So that's important too. In instances such as IRS filings, divorce, and lawsuits, in some cases it's defined under statute or case law. In other cases, maybe where you are electing to buy a company or somebody's going to buy your company, you may have an opportunity to define the standard of value in the engagement to value the company. So again, standard of value, very important. Get the date right, get the standard right. We're going to talk about some other things later. This is Josh Horn, CPA of Horn Valuation. Have a great day. Bye.